Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Odor of the sputum. Odor of the sputum is offensive in certain conditions. Odor of the sputum is offensive and bad, that is, it is bad and fetid odor is seen in conditions like lung abscess. Why? Because in lung abscess there is bacterial infection is present which produces the sputum and also which produces the pus and the bacterial enzymes um, the bacterial enzymes which are released by the bacteria, they will digest the host cells, resulting in this bad offensive odor. Even in bronchiectasis there is bacterial infections are prone, or there is increased risk of bacterial infections in bronchiectasis, and in anaerobic bacterial infections there is offensive fetid odor is seen.
thank you and thank you for watching.